All right, so in this video, we have a surprise package from Trolli. If you don't know what that logo is, then I feel like you're probably missing out on part of your childhood, and you should get familiar. So let's go ahead and get into this video. What is going on, guys? Hes here, collectivekicks.com, and I wanted to bring you guys this unboxing today. Thank you to Trolli for sponsoring this video. So all I know is this package has something to do with this, and if you can't see, that is James Harden. And this is a new Harden-inspired gummies that Trolli ended up collaborating with Harden on and creating. So one thing you guys may not know about me is I'm actually a huge candy fanatic, and Trolli is one of those companies that every time I go to like Target or 7-Eleven or whatever, I always just try to see what's new and what do they have in stock, because they always have some sort of fun and innovative new gummy type candies, and I always appreciate those. So if you're trying to backdoor snacks to get in the movies or something like that, now you can stop off at 7-Eleven and pick up some Trolli Sour Brite Sneaks. So this is a preview, I know, of what is to come. So let's go ahead and check the box to see what other things they actually have in here. So I haven't opened this yet. It's sealed, as you can see right here. I'm gonna gracefully open my butterfly knife like that and open this up so I can see what is. All right, so now that we got this thing open, let's go ahead and take a look and see what Trolli ended up sending me. I have no idea what is. This is awesome. So I don't know. Wow, this is too ridiculous. So this is what they sent in the box. Dude, this is hilarious. There's a bag of the Trolli Sour Brite Sneaks, as you can see. There is a little hoodie. There are some little socks, a little basketball, a little pack of stickers, it looks like there. It says adhesives. And then this is what appears to be a little Trolli box. Let's take a look. Oh, this is dope. So as you can see from the box, 3/5 was the release date. So you can actually buy these at 7-Elevens exclusively as of right now. That is something to note. And look at this. So it has a Sour Sneaks logo on the bottom. And this little box is so rad. It actually has an individually packaged pair of Sour Brite Sneaks with Harden on it right there. This is awesome. It actually has a small little nutrition label on the back too of that. Dude, this is hilarious. So that is what they ended up sending, as you could see in this package. Let's take a look at this hoodie. I mean, nothing but the finest materials for this hoodie. This is so rad. Look at it, has a little pull strings and stuff. It's actually not just a sticker, it's actually pressed onto the hoodie. Figure out, maybe I can put this on Skeletor or something like that. I recruited some help from my models here, Lino and Skeletor. I want to see, maybe I can put this hoodie on Lino. Dudes. This is awesome. It's like the perfect fit for Lino, dudes. Look at this thing. He's straight hood now. Lino's ready for ball. And then it also comes with these knee highs. I could probably put these on him too. Lino's like super geeked up because he has brand new sneaks. Let's go ahead and open some of these up. I gotta check these out. So as you can tell, Lino's sneaker game is real strong right about now. One thing I really like about this product is it says it is a triple-double berry. So it's basically a nod to Harden getting triple-doubles on the basketball court. And so it has 3 different flavors in 2 different tones. You have the lime raspberry, the lemon berry punch, and the strawberry blackberry. And you can see it's actually 2 different shoes. You can get a left and a right shoe. But this is a sneaker channel, so I wanted to give you guys a quick review on the Trolli Sour Brite Sneaks. As you can see, they released 3 different colorways of the shoe. As you can tell from the package though, this might be the one that's the most sought after colorway because this is the only 2 that came in the entire package. So savor the moments when you get the strawberry blackberry ones, or just sift through the package to make sure that you're loaded with your favorite flavors. As you can see, they decided to go with a laceless model. You definitely get a better than cloud-like feel with these crazy Sour Brite Sneaks. For real, better than Boost. You definitely get a mix of that sweet and sour when you're eating these things. And the entire upper and midsole is dusted in that sugar speckle. And as you can see, Lionel would say it's definitely true to size. I'm like fiending for one of these limited ones right here. I gotta eat one. Of course, the limited ones are my absolute favorite. These are so good. If you guys already follow Trolli, you guys might have seen a couple of the contests that they have going on. They have one on their Instagram, and basically you could have taken a story of yourself on Instagram and then DM'd it to Trolli, and then they put you up in their feed, and they have a couple select winners that they're going to give a bunch of stuff to, which I thought was pretty cool. The other thing that you guys may have seen recently is that StockX actually did a life-size gummy shoe. They're like legit 100% gummy. There were $5 a raffle ticket, and there's going to be 3 different winners that they chose. You also get a pair of the signed Volume 2s from Harden. Pretty crazy and pretty cool that they ended up doing that with StockX. But this has been really a fun opportunity for me because I'm obviously a huge candy fanatic. I've always been. But I'm going to keep these ones in the package just for nostalgic sake because it's such a cool little box. And of course, they got the limited colorway, my favorite colorway in the package, so even better. But thank you to Trolli and James Harden for creating such a cool product. If you guys have actually tried these Sour Brite Sneaks and you've already bought them at 7-Eleven, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about them. They actually taste really good. Like, they have like a really good density to the chewiness of the shoe, and I could eat like a whole bag of these in one sitting without question. I'm definitely going to be ready for the next couple movies that I ended up going and seeing with some of these things. Avengers Infinity War, I'm definitely going to be rocking my Trolli Sour Brite Sneaks. These are gummies.
Gummies.
They're shoe gummies.
Shoe gummies.
Would you like one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look. Look. Which color do you want?
Like,
Try one. Try one and see what you like. They're little sneaker gummies. They look like shoes. Can you say thanks, Trolli?
Thanks, Trolli.
Thanks, Trolli.
You got treats? Nice, man.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you guys appreciate the content. And if you guys want to see the other videos on my channel this time, go ahead and click the screen. Peace, guys.